Hi friends, welcome to Tips and Tricks channel. If you are visiting for the first time, please subscribe my channel. Today we are going to learn how to change default setting in the Firefox browser. Here I will show you. Open Firefox browser. First I am searching here terminal. It's showing the result in Yahoo, but I don't want to see the result in Yahoo. I want Google search. For that you have to change settings. I will show you the go to change search engine settings. Here you have to select Google as a default, then close it and open a new tab. Here you can search. I will now it will show the Google search. That's it guys. If you like